You know, it's such a gradual process, so to really take a before and after look at them is shocking, really. As it got more and more progressive, it bothered me more and more. If we took family photos or something like that, both my brothers had solid heads of hair. I kind of shopped around for what options were. And for the longest time, I did nothing. I tried minoxidil foam for a while in the middle of my 20s, and in my own mind felt like it wasn't doing anything, so I stopped, which I shouldn't have. But I stopped and maybe didn't come back to it again until I came in here. The stereotype or a stigma that this is a very vain thing to do, and that it's, I don't want to say selfish, but that it's very self-serving. But I don't know, that's kind of a negative way to look at it. It's peace of mind, it's your life, it's your own, it's your life. People spend money on tattoos and vacations and all these other things. It's something that will bring more peace. Or at least hope so. So I am looking forward to that, just having that peace of mind of it finally being away and not having to see it all the time.
Cole is back in the house, 12 months after multi-unit hair grafting. Cole, good to see you.
Good to see you.
As you can see, guys, we started with a lot of loss. This was what you might describe as a Norwood 5. Norwood's the scale that diagnoses hair loss. And we did a large multi-unit hair grafting procedure. We started in the front, we worked as far back as we could. We took a global approach, so he was on finasteride, physician prescribed, and topical minoxidil, so that we're keeping what's not transplanted and thickening that and putting back what we've lost. And this is the result. I haven't seen you for a while, and it's awesome, man.
It's doing pretty good. I'm happy with it.
It's doing great. The change is just amazing. It looks very natural. Now, when we do multi-unit hair grafting, we are using a range of different graft sizes that we can only get with that procedure approach. You want the frontal hairline to be a little bit thinner, then it gets thicker as you work your way back. So that's where the multi-unit grafts value really comes in, because it gives us this large cosmetic impact. I last saw you 4 months post-transplant. Mm-hmm. We didn't have that wave in the hair. It changed a bit since then. Talk us through that sort of timeline of when you really started to notice sort of change, and I guess when you looked in the mirror and said, wow, there's...
No, the first few months was slow, and you told me that I would need to be patient, and I was. And maybe 4 or 5 months in, I started really getting pretty confident that we'd made a good decision, and by 6 months, things had really started to come along pretty rapidly using the minoxidil and the finasteride. And within the last 3 months, it's really been thick, and it's come back to kind of a wave to it, which has been really nice. It's easier to style my hair. So it's really come quite a long way in that time. Talk about it with your spouse and your family. I'm very pleased with my results. It seems to be a very worthwhile investment of your time, money, and patience. So no, I wouldn't ever tell someone to let this opportunity go by if they feel that this is one that within their wheelhouse.